How many hours have you wasted fighting Outlook's ancient rendering engine while trying to ship a single marketing email? This skill gives you MJML framework integration for bulletproof responsive layouts, handlebars templating for dynamic content blocks, automated litmus style cross client testing, and a React inspired component library with reusable UI elements. We built it for front end devs drowning in media queries, full stack engineers juggling transactional emails, and DevOps teams automating email workflows. Spoiler, it doesn't fix Outlook's CSS parser, but it'll make you cry less. Here's what's inside the Building Email Template Builder skill. The drag and drop interface generates semantic HTML with inline styling optimized for Apple Mail. Responsive design tools auto-generate fluid grids and mobile-first media queries. Dynamic content blocks support conditional logic for personalized greetings and product recommendations. The cross-client testing suite validates rendering in 15 plus email clients, including Lotus Notes 6.5. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Build once, deploy everywhere without the email client roulette. Installing the Building Email Template Builder skill takes one command: npx quanta skills add building email template builder. That's it. You'll download 200 plus pre-built components, responsive design presets, and dynamic content integration patterns with full TypeScript support. Your next Claude Code session automatically recognizes MJML syntax and email-specific best practices. Your AI assistant now understands how to optimize for Outlook's XML parser and Gmail's CSS limits. No PhD in email sorcery required. Transform your email workflow faster than you can say margin 0 auto.